Yo, what's up, guys? Today I'm about to take you on a wild ride. Literally, because we're talking about how to drive a freaking Bentley. Yeah, you heard me right, a Bentley. That super luxury whip that makes heads turn, jaws drop, and wallets cry. If you've ever dreamed about cruising in style, feeling the power under your foot, and living that high life, this video is for you. But hold up. This ain't just about hopping in and flooring it. Now, driving a Bentley is an experience, a vibe, a lifestyle. So stick with me, because I'm going to break it down step by step. Keep it real, and make sure you don't look like a total noob behind the wheel of one of the finest machines on this planet. First off, let me tell you, walking up to a Bentley is like walking up to royalty on wheels. That grille, those curves, the emblem shining bright, it's all screaming class. But before you even think about starting that engine, you gotta get comfy. Adjust the seat, mess with the steering wheel, set those mirrors right. And don't be lazy, man. Get that perfect position, because once you hit the road, comfort and control is everything. Bentleys are big, but they're surprisingly smooth. Like driving a cloud, but with some serious grunt. Now, let's talk about the key. Most Bentleys today got that push-to-start button, sleek and fancy. None of that old-school key fuss. You just hit the brake, press the button, and boom. The engine growls awake like a beast. And listen, that sound ain't just noise. It's an invitation. It's that low, deep, luxurious rumble that makes your chest tingle. But here's the thing. Don't just rev it for fun in the driveway, all right? Bentley's got power, and if you ain't careful, you're gonna be hugging the curb real quick. Okay, so you're in, engine on, mirrors set, hands on the wheel. Now what? Driving a Bentley is kinda like sipping fine wine. It ain't about speed first, it's about finesse. But don't get me wrong, this baby's got power for days. The first thing you gotta know is how smooth the transmission is. Most modern Bentleys are automatic, so you just hit drive, release the brake gently, and feel the car glide. None of that jerky nonsense. The acceleration, butter, and the suspension, like cruising on a private jet. You literally feel like the car's reading your mind. Now, the street game with a Bentley is a little different. People are gonna notice you, man, and not in a, oh, there's a car kind of way. It's in a, oh dang, who's driving that kind of way. Heads turn, phones come out, the whole 9 yards, so you gotta be confident. Bentley's got this smooth handling tech that hugs corners, so you can take turns like a boss without breaking a sweat. And remember, don't slam it into corners thinking it's a race car. It's a luxury cruiser first, speed demon second. Let's talk pedals. The gas, the brake, it's all sensitive, man. One touch too much, and you're either flying down the road or slamming the brakes like a maniac. Take your time, ease into it, get the feel of the power. And listen, if you're on a manual Bentley, props to you, because those things are rare beasts. You gotta master clutch control, gear shifts, all that jazz, but the reward? Smooth, satisfying like butter on a hot skillet. Automatic or manual, this car responds like it's alive. Every tap, every touch, it's listening. Steering, yeah, this ain't some economy sedan. Bentley steering is tight, precise, but smooth, so you can glide through traffic or carve up an open road like a pro. You'll feel the weight. The presence, it's that perfect combo of control and confidence. And when you hit those highway speeds, man, that V8 or W12 engine just hums along. Effortless, no struggle. It's not just fast, it's graceful. You're not racing. You're commanding the road. And don't sleep on the tech inside. Bentley's got gadgets, touchscreens, digital dashboards, and a sound system that'll make your playlists come alive. Navigation, adaptive cruise, night vision, you name it, it's there. But while all this is cool, don't let it distract you. Driving a Bentley is about respect. Respect for the machine, respect for the road, and respect for yourself. Parking a Bentley? Yeah, that's another skill. It's big, but the sensors and cameras make it easier. Still, take it slow, don't rush. Make sure your doors don't nick someone's ride next to you. Luxury cars like this don't forgive mistakes. But here's the cool part. You're probably gonna get looks and nods while you park. And let me tell you, that's part of the Bentley experience. People aren't just seeing a car, they're seeing a statement. Here's the real secret, though. Driving a Bentley ain't about showing off, it's about feeling. Feeling the leather under your hands, the precision under your feet, the power at your command. It's about enjoying every mile. Whether you're cruising city streets or hitting the open highway, don't rush it. Don't try to impress. Just drive, soak it all in, and let the car do its magic. And yeah, if you're wondering about speed, safety, and legality, play it smart. You're driving a high-powered luxury machine, but it's not a racetrack car. Respect speed limits, be mindful of traffic. And remember, control beats thrill every time. The last thing you want is to scratch, dent, or worse, crash a Bentley. That's a nightmare, and a pricey one at that. So here's the lowdown, my friends. Step 1. Get comfy, mirrors right, hands on wheel. Step 2. Start the engine, listen to that roar. Step 3. Ease off the brake, feel the glide. Step 4. Enjoy the smooth power. Handle turns like a pro. Respect the road and don't show off. Step 5. Park with care, look cool, and soak in the attention. Step 6. Rinse and repeat. Because driving a Bentley isn't just transportation, it's a lifestyle. Honestly, guys, whether you're 17 dreaming about this day or 35 finally sitting behind the wheel, a Bentley gives you that unmatched combination of luxury, power, and status. And it ain't just the car, it's the experience, the confidence, and the feeling that you're in control of something truly special. Once you drive it, you know what I mean. It's not just about getting from A to B. It's about enjoying every moment, every curve, every mile, and there you have it. That's how you drive a Bentley. Not like some flashy amateur, but like a pro who knows what's up. Respect the machine, respect the road, and most importantly, respect yourself behind the wheel. If you follow these tips, you're not just driving a car, you're living the Bentley life. So get out there, keep it smooth, keep it classy, and remember, it ain't just about speed, it's about style, control, and confidence, all right? That's it for today, fam. If you loved this, smash that like button, hit subscribe for more insane car content, and drop a comment below if you've ever dreamt about driving a Bentley or actually have. I want to hear your stories, your fantasies, your real-life experiences. Until next time, keep your wheels clean, your foot steady, and your vibe unstoppable. Peace.